Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear browsing data on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, we need to open the browser. Over here we have the default one. If you use this one, then you can tap on these three lines in the bottom right corner. Then go to settings. Over here scroll down and go to personal browsing data. And then choose delete browsing data. Over here you can choose exactly what you want to remove. You can also select passwords and autofill forms if you want to. And once you are sure what you want to remove, press this delete data button. And that's pretty much it for this browser. However, we can also use Google Chrome instead. So let me show you what you can do in order to clear the browsing data on Google Chrome. So you need to tap on these three dots in the top right corner. And now over here we have clear browsing data. If you press it, then you can select the time, the period. So let's say we're gonna choose all time. Then over here we can go to more options in order to choose precisely what we want to remove. Keep in mind that the time range might need to be readjusted one more time. And once you are done, press clear data. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!